Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching how to fix tech. In this video, I am going to show you how to connect your normal PC to domain user so that you can use your domain ID and you can use the resources of your domain. So how you can do that? Go to start menu or you can go to the file explorer here. Then click on this PC and go to system properties here by right clicking on the vacant place. Now you can see the work group is work group. You can see here this is the all details of my Windows. You need to click on change setting here. Now you will see the rename this computer, and the second is this one. You need to click on this, rename this computer or change its domain on the work group and change it. Click on that. And one thing you can also try the shortcut sysdm.cpl and hit OK. You will get the same properties. Let me show you. Window R sysdm.cpl. Okay. Then you need to click on here, rename this PC or its domain. I already told you. Now this is the computer name. You can change it anytime. You need to click on here like domain name and then type here the domain name. In my case it is howtofixtech.com. It should not be more than 15 digits here. It's a maximum number of the domain. Then you need to click on OK button here. Okay. Once you click on OK button here, you need to press OK button again and you need to restart your system. After that, your system will join the domain. After restarting, it will prompt you to restart your system, so you can directly restart your system after that. So hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.